Welcome to this getting started tutorial for lightPlot iPhone application version 1.1. This is the home screen we are looking at right now, and I will try to go through this application for you and show its features. This is the home screen. We can then enter the options file manager, and here we can see the shows which is currently on the device. Can delete it like this, and oh shit, tells me I'm doing something wrong. Oh, a problem. Oh, no show selected. Go to file manager. That's what I will do. Create a new show. We can enter the show by pressing it and giving it a name. Show file. Location would be in Denmark. And we can go back. We can select the shows by swiping the screen. And then we can make sure that we have selected the new file. We just made it. The next two is some samples I want to show you later. Go back here. Then to add fixtures to our patch and plot, we need to go into the library. Here we can see the manufacturers. We can then go into Martin, for instance, choose a Mac 500. We can see the personality files, mode 4, then we can see all the lowlight and highlight values, which will later be able to be used with my DMX output component in this program. So far it's just in there. Insert fixture. Choose insert fixture. And then we say we want 10 of these. Mode 3. Insert. Yes, please. Then we are prompted to this view where we easily can change some values and give it some values and data. Unit number would be 501. Offset with 1. If we say off, then there will be no unit number added to the units. If we say equals to, all the fixtures will be 501. Minus, everything will de-increase. Plus, it will increase, so it will be 501, 502, and so on. DMX the same way. Off equals to set. This is the custom offset, and auto is the automatic addressing. So we say universe 1 start at universe 2 start at 1. The positions here can do the same with start at minus 300 centimeters and offset with 50. And all these numbers with measures is in centimeters. Then we have the y coordinates, which will be 300. Yes, and the height will be 5 meters. Then we will say execute update. The update will execute and we can go back. The fixtures are now added and all these data is now changed in it, so it's ready. Then we can go into generic and we can choose a parkand, for instance. We can insert the fixture. Say we want 8 of these. Insert fixture. Once again, we give it a unit number and DMX address. Then we can go into the color library. Choose a color. Go into Lee here, for instance. There's approximately like 500 colors in this so far. Lee and Roscoe. You can go into the coordinates and say minus 350 and jump with 60 centimeters. This coordinate will be 100 and the height will be, do like this. Yes, let's say execute and go back again. Then we can go all the way back here to the library. If we want any other fixtures in here, we are able to add the fixtures by pressing the add button. Right now this fixture is actually added already. It's added with the number, with the manufacturer name, no name. So we will just change this to Denmark light. And it will be a wash. Color mix type is LED, we can call it. Power 200 watts and it weighs 10 kilo. Let's just do like this. Moving light. Then we can add a personality file or mode. Create it empty once again. And here we change it to be the basic mode. And we say it will take use of 15 channel. These 15 channel will make sure it will auto increase the DMX patch automatically. Can go all the way back and you can see here it's added. We have the wash light, Here we are able to edit our light, and once again edit our personality files, and once again we can just swipe it and delete it. Go back here. Just as well we can swipe all the custom made fixtures and delete them if we don't want them in our library anymore. You can go back and let's say just also want one of our new ones here. Insert, oh, not edit, insert fixture, yes please. Just do this. Perfect. Boom. Then we can enter the patch by fixture view. Here we can see all our fixtures, which is in the show file. We can select and deselect these fixtures. Let's just select these first three here. Then we can enter a special view for a single fixture. Here you can change individual fixtures, give it a color, name, power connections, and so on. Step through the whole row of fixtures. Go back. Now we have selected these three fixtures. We can go down all the way here. We can arrange it by address, unit, name, color, and so on. We can go into edit selected items. Just selected those three items, and then here we once again just can execute special commands just for the selected fixtures. To do some special selection of fixtures, we can enter this view called selected items. Here you can deselect all items, or say select all items. We can rearrange the order of them, so it goes, when it goes through the auto patch, it will do the patch in the right order, or the order we want it to be going in. You can say deselect once again. Then we, by going into this view, we can see an example of what database handling we can enter into the text field here. So if we, for instance, say is unit number above 5, execute, and it select all the fixtures which has a unit number above 5. You can also say unit number above 5, order by unit number, execute. Then it's ordered by unit numbers, and you can type in multiple commands into this text field. From this text field we can go right through the edit field and do whatever we want to do with the units. Then we can go into the plot view. Here we have the plot, top view, yes. The parkends is drawn like this, the moving light are drawn like this, and our custom made features is simply just in square blocks. You can see all the fixtures which are selected right now, which has a green outline. Choose the selection function, deselect and select the fixtures like that. Go down to our moving lights down here, then we can just move them in the grid, pulling them up here. Yeah, can deselect the fixture and just pull this single fixture up and down. You can also lock the coordinates, so it's only moved in one coordinate direction. You can press open button and then select the fixture again, and then we're able to change the unit number on it and so on. Say 602 instead. Yes. Thank you. Then we are also able to press this more button. Here you can deselect all. Yeah, makes sense. Select by fixture. Only select the specific fixture you want to select. This is our customized fixture. You can say save as PNG file. It's just a lot more fun if you just have a proper picture here. This will just take the screenshot of what is going on inside the plot. So we say save PNG file. This is what there was inside the plot. We say save. Thank you. We are also able to mail the PNG file, and it takes the whole grid and mail it. When we add some features to our plot, it will automatically make the plot 2 meters higher and 2 meters deeper and 2 meters wider to both sides of the fixture. The plot will auto resize if you bring a fixture up to the edge here, then it will make the grid 2 meters higher. You can go in here, say deselect, comes back again, has made the grid 2 meters bigger. This is to saving some work for the calculation. Go here, then we are able to add a floor plan, choose floor plan and set size. We'll show you in the file later. Go back here, Then we are able to go to front view, side view, and so on. Makes sense. Can enter the presentation view. PDF sheets. Can add a sheet here. Delete it by swiping on it. Enter it here. And here we got our presentation sheet with our patch information. Edit it. Choose columns. Say this is a view. We can say choose column. GMX comp. Combine. Does it mean that it both contains the universe and the address? We can go down here and we can say yes, we want some power and some weight information as well. Go back. We can enter some notes. We can enter what the file should be called. This is plot for me. Save. Then the PDF will be recalculated and will be printed out like this. You can go into the edit view once again. You can say send by mail, and it will be sent by the mail. Delete the draft. You can go back. Then we are able to enter our image view or store. This is the top view which we saved earlier, and here we are also able to import pictures from our cell phone. Now I'm on a MacBook to do this presentation, so it's not able to do it from the MacBook, but the cell phone you can select a picture from your library, photo library. If you do multiple of these save PNG files, it will automatically categorize it as whether it is a front view or top view. Also, if it's an imported picture, then it will be shown in a separated folder. Now I want to show you the floor plot. So we can just go into this option here, and I will show you this theater show. And open here, and here you can see how I have imported a floor plan for use. You can just deselect it here, go back into our file, and this is how it looked like without any floor plan. Can go in here once again, and let's open it and have a look. This is just to make it, let people have an idea of what is going on, make it easy. So the thought is that you actually just should be able to make a quick drawing on a piece of paper, take a picture of it, and then bring it right into your application by taking a photo of it, importing it, or you can take a screenshot of a plot which you receive on an email from the band of the stage plot or a rigging plot and so on, and just add the fixtures wherever you want them. Yes, and the next file I want to show is this big demo which just includes a lot of pictures just to show how it looks like. You can go into the presentation sheets. It's, 1.5 piece of paper, but here we are able to see all the unit numbers and model and mode and weight and all this kind of stuff. You can scroll out, you can enter the plot view, top view. Here you see all these features. Yes. Yeah, that's all for now. I hope you will figure it out how it works. Yeah.